Hi, I'm Dennis Buijs, Product Manager at Dremel. I'm going to tell you something about the two types of grinding accessories. Grinding accessories are mainly used to deburr different types of materials, but also to sharpen, for example, garden tools. The difference in the two types of accessories is that you have the orange ones, which are mainly used on metal material, like copper, like stainless steel, and the other one, the green ones, are used on tiles, ceramics or glass. And as you can also see, there are two different types of shapes. You have the smaller ones and the bigger ones, and this is mainly the application you want to use it on. For example, if you have a steel pipe, you want to use the big ones for just the outside, but it's kind of hard to reach the inside. So that's why you have the smaller ones, which can be used in those kind of areas. So now let's talk about the green ones. These are used for glass, tiles, ceramics, and all these kind of materials. So, as a quick summary, we've seen the two types of grinding accessories, and I always remember them by, if you have the orange grinding accessories, these are used on metal types, and if metal gets rusty, they turn orange. So this is how I remember it. Thanks for watching.